Wolverine is not typically associated with a bike as his primary mode of transportation, but he is known for his fierce combat skills and his iconic retractable adamantium claws, making him a formidable fighter in the Marvel Universe. Thor, the god of thunder, does not rely on a bike for transportation but is known for wielding his mighty hammer, Mjolnir, and harnessing the power of lightning to protect the Nine Realms and defend against evil forces as a prominent member of the Avengers. Superman, the Man of Steel, doesn't typically use a bike as he possesses the ability to fly. With superhuman strength, speed, and a power of flight, he fights for truth, justice, and the American way, defending Metropolis and the world from threats as one of DC Comics' most iconic superheroes. SpiderMan is known for his acrobatic abilities and web-slinging, but he doesn't rely on a bike for transportation. With his superhuman agility, spider sense, and ability to cling to walls, he swings through the city of New York, fighting crime and protecting the innocent as the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Black Panther, the King of Wakanda, doesn't typically use a bike as his primary mode of transportation. Armed with his vibranium suit and enhanced physical abilities, he fights with agility and advanced technology to protect his nation and uphold justice as the Black Panther. Hulk, a Marvel superhero, doesn't typically use a bike as he possesses incredible superhuman strength and the ability to transform into a massive, green-skinned behemoth when angered. Known for his raw power, he smashes through obstacles and fights against enemies, leaving a trail of destruction in his wake. Iron Man, portrayed by Tony Stark, is known for his high-tech suits of armor but does not rely on a bike for transportation. With his genius, intellect and advanced technology, he fights as a formidable superhero, using repulsor blasts and an array of gadgets to protect the world as Iron Man. Deadpool, the irreverent Marvel anti-hero, doesn't rely on a bike for transportation. Known for his regenerative abilities and unorthodox fighting style, he engages in chaotic and comedic combat, breaking the fourth wall and bringing his own unique brand of humor to the table.